baby, burn! Ha ha ha.
Hey guys, welcome back to Destroy It,
where we literally just destroy things.
and today we are destroying a paint can.
Inside of a toaster oven. Since putting a can of paint in a microwave doesn't really work that well, because it doesn't get up and explode, we decided to use a toaster oven. Because with the toaster oven, it'll make the liquids really hot and want to expand, and eventually blow up, and paint everywhere. So, yes, we're destroying a can of paint, but we're also going to try to destroy the toaster oven too. Because, why not?
How we're going to do this is we're going to build a trap for the paint with zip ties.
So what we're going to do, we're going to get us a couple zip ties and zip tie the door closed so it will not open. And so, that way, there's a bigger chance of blowing up the toaster oven.
Let's destroy these things.
Okay, we have everything set up. We have the oven, the cameras, it's all wired together. So now it's time to throw in the paint and to tie off the door. So for safety purposes, so when it does explode, it doesn't open immediately and spray it everywhere. So it will explode inside of the oven instead of spraying out. So let's do this. Okay, now we are putting it up all the way, broil, 450 degrees, and setting it for 10 minutes. Now we have to run away.
It exploded and lit on fire. It's a fire!
Now it's time to put out the fire. Fire's put out. So the can of paint didn't work. So we ended up using this stuff, starting fluid, and the bottom, look at that, totally blew out of it. The bottom's completely gone. So there's a little explosion at first. Didn't do much damage to the inside. It kind of got messed up a little bit. Oh, it's still hot. But let's look at the bottom part. Look at this. It's totally burned underneath. All the plastic is melted off. Whoa. The handle, the plastic handle is completely destroyed. The wires hanging out of it, gone. The bottom's just totally burned up. That was awesome. Toaster oven, destroyed. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if this is your first video, make sure you destroy that subscribe button. Give us a comment below and tell us what you want to see us destroy next. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time on Destroy It, where we literally just destroy things.